Hi there. Long time no see. How have you been?
Oh hey, I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm fine. By the way, did you organize your schedule for this term?
Yeah, I chose molecular physiology, neurochemistry, and drug biochemistry of pharmacology, but I was going to add research methodology too, but I didn't feel it was as important.
How is it not important? You should have added that course.
Why should I?
As a graduate student who has the ambition to be a scientist, it's crucial to have in order to ensure the quality of your research as well as to avoid violation of ethical standards.
Huh, I didn't realize that. What else can you tell me about it?
I can add that those research methods are used to explain the reason behind undertaking studies, explain the collected data and research, and also justifies using a specific data analysis method. Believe me, I was in your place, but when I took it, it actually helped me more than you think.
Thanks for the advice. I will go add it later. See you around.
See you.
I need your opinion, doctor. Sure, about what? Studying research methodology. At the first glance, some believe that this course is not worth teaching, but they are completely wrong. It should be taken by undergraduate students for a stronger foundation for their future. Postgraduate students have no choice, as a thesis is the requirement for a master's degree. It seems to me that it's a very important course. From initiation of a research idea to the ultimate culmination in publication, there are many segments. Initiation of a research idea, thorough literature search, formulation of a research question, proper study design, possible source of funding, conduction of research, analysis of data obtained, proper interpretation of results, and publication in a peer-reviewed journal. So studying research methodology helps us get a solution to a problem and provide us the necessary training in choosing methods, materials, scientific tools, and training in techniques relevant for the problem chosen. I wish I had studied this subject before I start my thesis, so my life would have been much easier. It's never too late for anything.
Hello, miss. I just would like to get your help. I'm really confused between the research paper and the review paper. And I really would like to know if there is a difference between them.
Of course, there are clear differences between them. The first and the most important difference is that the research paper is based on original research that has been conducted by the paper's author. This is known as primary literature. But the review paper is based on existing published articles. It does not report any original research. This is known as secondary literature.
Okay, are there another differences?
Yes, dear. The research paper reports each step of the study in detail. This includes the hypothesis, background study, methodology, and result. It also includes a discussion of the possible implications of the result, of how the study contributes to existing literature, and suggestion for the further research.
Oh, really? So what about the review paper?
The review paper identifies and reports commonalities between the results of the chosen study. If there are discrepancies, then the author tries to provide reason for the conflicting results. The author's analyzes available information from the published paper.
That was very helpful. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Doctor, can you help me read a scientific paper in an easy way without wasting time?
Of course, don't read it all. You just have to follow some steps. First step, skim the abstract. That will allow you to get somewhat familiar with the topic at hand. Second step, read the conclusion. It summarizes what happened with more details than the introduction. Third step, read the conclusion and the results, because it will give you an insight into what the results mean. Finally, read the methods section. If you are sure the results and conclusion are relevant to your topic, these steps will save your time. there is something you need to be careful about while writing your research.
What is it, doctor? It sounds important.
Yes, you can't take someone else's work or ideas and address them as your own. This is known as plagiarism. It's illegal and unethical.
How about changing keywords and phrases?
This is one of the plagiarism types called find replace, and there are other types such as clone, Ctrl-C, remix, recycle, hybrid, mashup, error 404, aggregator, and retweet. In this course, you will take each type in detail and the importance of copyright.
But there are a lot of valuable information that I would like to include in my research.
Sure, there are ways to avoid plagiarism. You can paraphrase by using your own words, quote, properly citing sources, and reference must be listed at the end of your article. So you have to use a plagiarism checker before submitting your work.
Ooh, what would have happened if I did not take this course? I could have fallen into plagiarism without knowing.
Plagiarism may be intentional or unintentional. Some causes such as financial pressure, time, or academic promotion could ease the idea of copying someone else's work. But now you know that it's unethical and it leads to punishment such as suspension or loss of credibility.
Doctor, how can I choose an appropriate journal for publication?
First, you have to list out important journals that publish content related to the domain of your research. Then check the impact factor of the journal.
What is the meaning of impact factor?
The impact factor is the measure of quality of research paper published in the journal. It's related to the number of citation articles published by the journal.
How can this help me?
The publications in journals of high impact factor will increase your credibility.
What else, doctor?
Always choose those journals that have a history of replying to your paper in predetermined time frame and journals which have a robust peer review process. Finally, the selected journals must be well indexed based on the quality of research medical journals' published articles, the regularity of publication, and impact factor.